Hello guys, today I show you how you can clean and select your clams. Before that we speak about cleaning, it's very important to go in the right shop and to buy the right one. So when you go and buy the clams, it's important also the price. If the price is too cheap, something is wrong. Probably they are old. So check the price in your country and you should stay on that price. In Italy now the price is 15 euro for 1 kilogram, more or less, so only that you can understand. Plus, if you buy them in the net, it's always better, because when they collect from the sea, they put them in the net, and on the net they write the date of the collection, or when they fish them. I don't know how to say in English. So you can see if they're fresh or not. Plus, if you know the fisherman or you know the fish shop, you know if they are fresh or not, because you trust him or not. But if you go on holiday and you go for the first time in this fish shop, you need to check if many people go there, means that he sells a lot of fish, so he need always fresh fish. Now we should throw them. Throw inside here. We make a little bit of noise. In this way they will spit the sand inside. You can see there is some piece of dirty, probably from the clams. Other things very important, you need to check if they are broken or not. If you find one of them broken, before I found it, like this one, you should throw it. I will put in the refrigerator. I will use it when I go fishing. Wash and selected our clams. This kind of clams, big like this, is called vongole veraci if you come in Italy, and the price is 15 euro like I mentioned, but if you buy the small one it's only 8 euro for 1 kilogram. Now we should clean them inside. How? We should put in the water with the salt. How much salt? Like the salt that we find in the sea. So 1 liter of cold water and 34 grams of sea salt. We put the salt, we put the clams, and we put our clams in the fridge. And tomorrow, when we need it, we remove from the fridge and we can cook it then. Why we should follow this proportion? 1 liter of water, 34 grams of salt, because the clams will spit the water that they have inside with the sand and take the fresh water. If the water is too salty, tomorrow when we will make the pasta will be salty too. So be careful, always better to spend few minutes more doing this job than to throw your pasta because it's too salty. See you tomorrow. Well covered from the water in the bottom of the fridge. You can see that they are not old but fresh, because they are still alive and they are moving. Now I will touch few of them. Also, if they were already clean during the night, you can see that they spit a lot of sand in the cup. So if you clean like this, when you will make the pasta or when you will eat them, you will not eat also the sand. Now we put in the basin and we wash a little bit with the fresh water. Our clams are clean and ready, so don't miss the next video, because in the next video we will make spaghetti alle vongole, spaghetti with clams. Bye bye!